This one, guys, right there in the cave. Sweet red beer. We're ready. Isabella is the only child together with the group. Ooh, it's cold now. Ooh. Good.
Really carefully. First of all, I know it's cold. Second letter, then hold the letter. Never ever do anything like this. Always have to hold something with your hand.
Yeah, we have to wait here. Papa is there.
Hey, Tom, da ist auch ein Weg.
Whoa.
Wo geht der da?
Ich leid.
Das ist eine kleine Figur. Hey, muss man da hoch?
Right now, rock on the ground, be uncomfy.
Ah, yeah,
So many
shells.
of them, all rough. I can
There's
try
just a
to show
shell.
more, but
Ooh. Go. Ah.
you guys are there. And now, on the right side can go through. Actually, Isabel, you can go on your hand that easily.
Isha?
This is why you have a helmet. Those were a little more wet earlier. The groundwater precipitation.
Ah, yeah.
And left here some extra calcium carbonate to cover the walls to create a force of dripstones.
Wow, sounds
Stalactite and stalagmite, I think it's called. But then here comes something absolutely different. We're sliding upside down. Turn around head first on your belly, slide down into the hole. But actually, it's only one turn on the other side. I think I changed my mind. I have to take care of you. I made it too easy.
Papa, du sollst hier hinlegen.
Alles in Ordnung.
Super. It's super fast. Huh?
You can hold here.
I think it's a bit bad. I turned your
Mahal,
eyes
move.
away from the course. Big Swedish people.
Wow.
Actually, I was
Das
born
hat
Swedish.
Spaß gemacht.
Yeah,
Typically, it
super.
wasn't German,
Papa,
but
das macht
Swedish.
Spaß.
You have to be in your back. Should I go here?
Yeah, of course. Cheating way.
Thanks to mine.
Cheers!
Slide.
Oh, pala. Oh my God.
Oh, did you?
Your phone.
Yeah, it's not broken.
That's much earlier. I mean, middle of the year earlier, but this is completed. There was no space yet, no tunnels, no K-rates.
Go up and stay there.
Wow.
Mira, está pala.
Let me see.
Come, Isha lang.
I'm not there to scare the other side. Maybe the real creatures are not here.
Ja, kan vi följa henne?
Really. Is she studying in school?
Yeah.
First year?
Second.
She finished the second and we started second.
Oi. There's the sound.
On the ceiling.
Ah,
It's
nice.
an oyster. A big shell.
Oyster.
Sorry, the pearl is on the wrong side. Too bad.
You know, in Sardinia there is something like this.
Yeah, that's the one that I wanted to go. Going there.
Das ist sehr alt.
Mama, that's the
Wo?
15.
Yeah.
I don't want to.
Shell.
As a caver, I can.
There's some
And also, I made the tour guide course and also the neck.
Go, 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 go. 1953.
She's very good. Does she do any sports?
Yeah. Last, when we were in Kaunatal, Mahal.
We do this climbing with the
Indoor climbing.
Yeah, outdoor.
Outdoor.
Klettersteig.
Mountain
Oh,
climbing.
Klettersteig, good.
Yeah.
David guy.
Wait, where are you going? Da, go down.
She was really panicking. It's too stupid for her. I told her I'm here to help, just hold my hand. I came after when I said, okay, but now it's my turn.
Yeah.
It took so long.
This is the shortcut way.